Hey everybody, Randall here again, and this is my Harbor Freight sandblasting cabinet. I've done a few modifications to this that really improve how this thing performs. Today I got my latest modification, which is a Scat Blast Cabinet siphon tube. This is a lot better than the Harbor Freight version, and it fits right in, bolts right in, so we're going to see today how this works. Now, other modifications I have made to this, instead of buying the expensive dust collection system, I simply mounted an L-shape adapter to the outlet, run it down right into an old $5 garage sale shop vac. And in the back of the cabinet, I drilled 4 holes into the baffle plate and put a shop vac filter in it. So we're going to see how this works. I haven't had a chance to try it out yet with the Scat Blast cabinet pickup tube. So we're going to see how this thing works. I installed me a nice little light here over my cabinet, but I'm going to turn that off here in just a second. And I'm going to try cleaning up this grody old motorcycle brake fixture here. So we'll see what happens. I have this cabinet filled with glass bead. So we'll set that in there. Okay. Now I'm going to turn this overhead light off, so maybe you can see this a little bit better. Turn this camera down just a little bit. See if we got a good picture here. I hope this turns out. Now I'm going to turn this vacuum sweeper on. And here we go. Oh yeah. Clears up. So that's cool. My dust retrieval system is working. It's working great. And this pickup tube's working wonderful too. This is much better than the Harbor Freight siphon tube. Long enough to prove my point. I'm going to open this cabinet up, turn my camera back up here. Alright, and yeah, he really went a long way towards taking the well, took the finish off of it, but I can polish that out. But that's just to prove a point. I'm not using this backing plate for anything. But yeah, the modifications seem to work really well for my blasting cabinet. So that Scat Blast cabinet siphon tube is about $32 on eBay. And I will post a link to that pickup tube under this video. But anyways, I'm real happy the way this cabinet's turned out. It's far exceeded my expectations, and I've got about $250 total and everything, so I'm real happy with it.